Fir Cone Friends, or Pine Cone Pals, DIY Christmas Tree Ornaments Tutorial. You will need soft touch yarn, string, googly eyes, a toilet roll centre, a crochet hook and scissors. Cut the toilet roll centre into 4 pieces. A regular-sized toilet roll centre will fit most fir cones or pine cones. If you have a smaller fir cone, the size of the toilet roll centre can be adjusted.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Saviour's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world voices for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Oh, fall on your knees, oh, hear the angel voices all night, all night. When Christ was born, led by the light of faith serenely beaming, with glowing hearts by his cradle we stand. Over the world a star is sweetly gleaming. Now come the wise men from out of the Orient. King of Kings, lay thus lowly manger in all our trials, born to be a friend. He knows our need, our weakness is no stranger. Beyond your King, before him, lowly and truly he taught us to love one another. His law is love, and his gospel is peace. Chains he shall break, for the slave is our brother, and in his name all oppression shall cease.